HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art! Hello kids! For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. Some purple will be great too. Orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun!